back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I've got a bunch of different job leads. Most of them do not require any kind of talking. They're non-phone based. Two of them is in regards to sending emails from home. Now, a lot of these jobs pay fairly well. Some pay $60,000 a year. Some pay anywhere from $75,000 to $90,000 a year to send email from home, and no college degree is needed. Of course, we're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving me that direct feedback. You can give this video a thumbs up, like button, or leave anything in the comments. Now, of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from any of these, share with all your friends and family, because the goal of this channel is always to make sure we're all living our happiest, healthiest life, working from home with that great work-life balance. Now, one of the jobs, the one that pays up to $90,000 a year, is hiring in both the United States and Canada. The rest of these are going to be for the United States, and they are all going to be full-time, I do believe. But without wasting any more time, first up we have the company AlphaSense. Now, AlphaSense has 251 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They're hiring an application review specialist. This is remote for the United States only. But they are basically looking for somebody as an application reviewer, maintaining the highest legal and regulatory compliance standards when you're looking through the Stream Experts transcript library, reviewing all the facets of compliance throughout expert recruitment, vetting, and publication. So you're going to be reviewing prospective expert applications to ensure that they meet all the recruiting compliance policies. You're going to evaluate these applications and profiles for both explicit and potential conflicts. You'll ensure that all applicant information is complete, accurate, and absent of any discrepancies, so making sure there's just no errors in the information. You'll then take the regulatory compliance guidelines and best practices and apply them, looking to do online research to verify or clarify any information, conducting written outreach to experts to resolve any profile discrepancies. So you're not even going to have to pick up the phone when you're missing information. You're going to send written outreach to them, and you're going to research online. So this is going to be completely non-phone. Now, you'll be building individual topic expertise in different industries. So it might be healthcare, or it might be industrials, or consumers, or technology. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who has strong attention to detail, experience doing compliance related work, someone who has experience reviewing documents that may contain sensitive information, so you've got to be aware of that, great communication skills, and great energy and a strong work ethic. Pay is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. Moving right along though, next up we have the company Mozilla. Now, Mozilla makes the Firefox browser that you use sometimes online if you're not using Google Chrome or Safari. They have 482 reviews from current and past employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a support operations specialist. This is going to be remote for the United States. They are looking for somebody to basically provide support for their multiple products, also play a role in meetings. So you're going to build and facilitate the rollout of innovative support strategies for existing and new products, defining and implementing standard operating procedures for addressing any support inbound from general to high touch users in order to maintain those service level agreements. You're going to have to facilitate knowledge base updates, community communications, and quality assurance optimization for any subscription product support. You'll handle the scheduling and prioritization of the queue for the frontline support team, creating any agent-specific service metrics and dashboards that may be needed. This is going to mean you've got to collaborate with different internal teams, such as the product support managers. Now, while this one is not requiring a college degree either, they do want somebody who has 3 years experience delivering frontline customer service, preferably preferably in some kind of global or world organization, someone who's experienced running operational support, different platforms, making sure and understanding that you have common customer service tools and processes down pat. So you need strong leadership skills and team motivation skills. This one is paying very high though. They have different tiers depending on the location where you live, but it pays anywhere from $76,000 on the low end all the way up to $131,000 a year on the high end. Next up, if providing email support is what you are here for, Outschool might be the company for you. They have 218 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a support escalation specialist. Now, this can be remote in the United States or remote in Canada. Now, Outschool as a company has a mission to inspire kids who love learning. They try to achieve this by linking learning to kids' interest and connecting them with other classmates who share their passion, interest, and things like that. So as part of the escalations team, you're going to play a central role in enhancing the Outschool's customer experience. Your primary focus is going to be minimizing those ticket escalations, identifying opportunities to increase efficiency for the support outflows. So this means you're basically going to be providing email support to parents and educators with complex and escalated product issues with the Outschool product. You're going to try to help reduce the percentage of escalated tickets by helping develop strategies that are going to tackle those reoccurring challenging issues at their root, making sure that similar cases can be efficiently handled by the team or AI in the future. So you're basically, while you're solving all of these issues through emails, you're going to make a mental note and look for any trends if the same thing is being a problem for more people, and then you're going to help come up with solutions to make sure that those trends don't happen again. So you're playing an active role in training their outsourced agents for handling these escalated cases. You'll have to apply critical thinking to identify all of these opportunities. Best part about this, no college degree is needed. They need somebody who has demonstrated experience as a top performer in customer service or customer support and specializing in reducing ticket escalations. Someone who can handle complex and escalated customer issues with a track record of being able to find solutions. So you've got to be a problem solver. You've got to have a great communication skills, and you've got to be able to be a multitasker and work in that fast-paced environment. The pay though for this is anywhere from $75,000 a year all the way up to $90,000 a year just for sending those emails. Next up, we have the company Otter Products. Now, Otter Products makes those Otter boxes, phone cases for all of the cell phones, the tough cases, so if you drop your phone, it is protected. They have a 470 reviews on Glassdoor with a 2.9 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for a social media content specialist. Now, this again is going to be remote for the United States. But you will basically be curating existing content to build their social media calendar in alignment with overall brand calendars and objectives, producing social content, including videos for the team to utilize on social platforms based on the brand objectives and current social media trends. So you are going to have to actually create content with this position. You'll attend and capture internal and external events for social media, getting footage and creating that content. You'll also have to create a strategic plan for the strategy to make sure that you're putting out content that's going to get people engaged and with the brand, following the brand, all of that. So you'll also monitor the social media topics, trends to evaluate, incorporate, and leverage any brand objectives. And of course, you'll also have to do some reporting, monitoring the KPIs such as engagement and things like that on your social media content and campaigns that you put out, seeing how responsive people are to it. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree in marketing, but they will take experience in lieu of a degree if you have a lot of equivalent experience. They do need 4 years of professional level social media marketing experience with a focus on content creation, and you've got to know specific platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Sprout Social. Now, this one may require you to travel from time to time to take content and shoot video and pictures at different events that are going on, but pay is anywhere from $74,000 a year all the way up to $94,000 a year. Next up, we have the company Squarespace. Now, I have shared a Squarespace on this channel before. They have a lot of advertisements on YouTube, so I'm sure you've probably heard of them by now, but they are a website brand that helps people build their own websites with ease. For whatever, if you are a photographer and you're trying to build a website, or you're a business or whatever, they have the solutions for you. They have 420 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a Central Standard Time customer support associate. Now, this is going to be remote, and they want you to either live in the Pacific Standard Time or Central Standard Time zone. They are looking for somebody to start in November. But the basis of this position is responding to customer submitted live chats and emails in a timely manner. So again, non-phone. You're going to be working through an actual work queue. They say that your typing work is going to account for 90% of the role. Live chat is going to be their primary support channel, and then emails is the secondary support. What kind of support you're going to be given is troubleshooting and guiding customers through questions and issues with their specific account, like billing or other transactional inquiries. You'll also have to probably from time to time give tech support as well. So you're going to have to stay up to date on new products, features, and improvements. They're not requiring any kind of college degree though, just somebody who can work full-time 40 hours a week and can also work weekends and holidays. Somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience, great written communication skills, and proficiency with decoding conversations, identifying calls, and aligning in end goals. So basically being able to read between the lines and understanding what the customer is trying to convey so you can pull out what the real issue is. They would like somebody who has familiarity with the Squarespace platform. And of course, you have to have dependable Wi-Fi and a place to work in your home with no distractions. Now, pay for this position is going to be anywhere from $35,800 a year all the way up to $43,000 a year. They're also going to offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, things like that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Of course, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.